This is the lawnmower. It's got 15-inch blade to it that I've cut down from a 20-inch. It's got an electric motor, 24-volt motor for the blade. It's got 2 wheelchair motors off the Jazzy with both of the wheels have been spiked, as you can see. It's got screws mounted into both of the rear wheels, going across both of them all the way around, so that they have traction going up the hills. This thing has no problems whatsoever going up embankments and cutting grass. As you can see from right over here, this is my mother's yard, and I just got through mowing this all the way down. It did look like that right there on this hillside right here. This is what it looked like, and that's what it looks like now. And I still have plenty of juice. I could do about 4 or 5 more lawns like this, because I got 2 of the regular batteries in this thing to make it 24 volts. It's got 4 blue lights on the top here to show whenever the mower is on. I know you really can't see them too well because it's daytime. In the middle there is one red light for whenever the mower itself is on, and I will turn it on right now so you can hear it. Bet you can't hear it, can you? Bet you can't. Like this. Not sure if you can see it. That's it. Mower is running. Not bad, huh? I love it. Worked out really nice. The frame off of an old cart, shopping cart, and worked out perfect. That's a thing off of the bottom of a bin that I use. Any questions or comments, let me know. Love to hear from you.